learning songs. He has to learn 15 songs for tomorrow, so we'll let him be. I realized I did not vlog all day, and for that, I'm sorry. I just kind of took a personal day. Didn't do much. And at first I was mad at myself, but now I'm not, so it's okay. I was excited though today because this showed up in the mail. I love Ikea, and I got to see what they have, so that's also exciting. We got our lowest hydro bill ever, which was very exciting for me, and I hope to not waste electricity anymore, because if all of our hydro bills like that, we would be laughing. But yeah, so that was my day so far. So excited. I've got a buddy with me. Hi, Doodoo. Hey. Hi. How are you? You love that? You're gonna eat it? Okay. Watching Amazing Race Canada. I was waiting for the other Big Brother thing. Tonight's Big Brother episode to show up on the website, but it's not there yet. So I'm catching up on Canadian Race. Amazing Race Canada, I mean. Whatever. You knew what I meant. Chuck was just playing the theme song to Big Brother.
Yeah.
Because we just finished watching it. Copyrighted material. But yeah, so we watched that because it showed up. Stop that. It showed up. I don't think Chuck understands copyright issues yet. I don't think he quite gets it. Shabadoo gets it. Shabadoo is meowing and telling him to stop.
He's singing along with it.
No, he's not. There's no words. At all.
See? Meows.
Anyway, Big Brother was just intense. It was a double eviction, and things were weird. I'm not sure how they got to how they did, but they're that now. That was so descriptive. Anyway, Chuck has to get up in the morning and do something weird. I have to get up and fold laundry and then go to work. So that's what's happening. Can you even hear me over him? I doubt it. Gonna have to boost my volume on my voice and turn the guitar down. But we're gonna go to bed now and feed Doodoo because he's hungry, I guess. And yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good night. Well, after Cheryl's at work, and it occurred to me that we didn't film anything like Good Night yesterday, or basically after the last clip we saw was kind of me going to work, so there's like a whole almost 24-hour period where we didn't vlog anything. Sorry, but hopefully not a whole lot happened. Work was okay for yesterday, and you know, just kind of feeling bloated. She picked up some groceries, picked up some like veggies, fruit. See bananas there. Yeah, just kind of small things here and there, and yeah, we still haven't tried